Alright, so I ain't never do these before right here. These shits look fun, so I'm about to give it a try to see how strong my legs is. But anyway, this shit is good because this shit is for, you know, individual legs. So individual leg pressing, so it's good. So that way when you have a weak left leg or weak right leg, shit like this is good. So that way you can be able to strengthen your weak ones. Let's try this. I guess this is the pushing back.
It's very non-adjustable, Gold's Gym special, so you're just gonna have to go in there, lock and load.
I guess.
That just extend it, that's all. There it is. There it is. You're nice and comfy. Let's go. Oh yeah. Yeah, stabilize with the arms. Nice and controlled. How that feeling?
That actually feels really fucking good.
It ain't bad, right?
It's not bad at all. This shit's really good,
It's
man.
different with the individual though.
Huh?
It kind of unstables you whenever you're coming back. It pushes you back into the seat.
Yeah, it does. It does a lot. This right here, though, I like it, man. It keeps you nice and in motion. When you're doing one leg at a time. When you try to do two, like I just did, don't try that shit. Just do one leg at a time. That's what this is for.
Noted.
go. Let's go. Back up. Alright, what's up guys? So, just wanted to show you guys the meals that I cook. Well, at least one of them when I'm on a diet. I'm gonna show you what I got here. So, always gotta get your eggs. I got 2 of these. It's the cheapest and easiest protein. I got 2 of these. And if you don't feel like cooking rice, then you can get this. So this here is already made. All you gotta do is just warm it up, or you can cook it with your meat. And then I have this. Obviously all of the lean ones are gone. So if you can see, it's 85-15, but it's what I got for now. It'll be all right. Usually I get the lean one that's, I think it's 93.7. That's the one you want to go for. The most lean is better. So I'm going to show you guys how I cook this meal. I put these things together. Got like onions and tomatoes. I use that as well. I chop that up and I mix it all together with some with this. And if I don't use this, I'll use eggs. So, but today we're going to use this. We're going to use the beef because I'm pretty hungry. Haven't really eat all day today. Just a small meal earlier today, and I was tired, so I slept. And then I woke up and I had legs, and for legs, I really didn't eat a good meal at all. I just had, to be honest, I had oatmeal cookies. I had about 4 oatmeal cookies, and I drank some water with it, and then I had a leg day. But overall, it still was good. I still was able to still hit 3.5 plates, and I was fine. Didn't feel too drained. I was good, had energy. So, let's get it. All right. Camera died because it got full. I'm mashing all of this down in here. Then I have a little bit of things that I use. Very little touch of this. I love this stuff. Just very little bit, not a lot. A little dash of that. And those. Let's see, where am I at with it? Oh yeah. Love the garlic powder, man. Love this stuff. Put a good bit on there. I love garlic powder, man. Put it in there. And then also like to use some parsley. Add that in there. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of some black pepper. I see that. A little bit of that. I try not to put too much seasoning, but just good enough so that way my meat is good. Mix it up in there. And just put the onions in. That's it. I'm big on onions. Onion is really good for you. Mix that in there. Now I'm gonna show y'all something else that I do that I try different, because I mean other people, everybody cooks their way differently, right? For me, being I have what I need so far, I got my meat, my onions. I'm gonna add 2 eggs in there. More of that protein, baby. This right here is high protein meal. High protein meal. That's what you want, man. You want the muscles. You want to maintain your muscle. You ain't trying to lose no muscle over here. Mix that in. That's it. Mix it in. Like I said, I like to have fun with my food too, man. I like to experiment and try new things. I'm not gonna do what everybody else does. Everybody finds their own way to make their food taste how they want it to. Other people follow other people, and that's fine. For me, I'm adventurous. I like to try a lot of things, man. I like to be different. You know, I'm like a scientist with food sometimes, man. I gotta mix a lot of stuff up together and see how it would taste. Alright, so next I'm gonna add my rice, white rice. It's really already cooked, so just have to dump it in there, pretty much. And see, for y'all to already come in there. It's already in a little bowl. You can either heat it up. You heat it up for like a minute and 20, minute and 30. And then if you got some meat, you just add it in. That's it. Simple. It's kind of just a little shortcut if you don't feel like, you know, using the rice cooker. You want some fast rice. I'm gonna use 2 because today was leg day and I don't have too much carbs for today, so I need my carbs. Now, being that I missed a few meals, this whole thing right here, I'm gonna actually have this whole thing. I haven't even, like I said, I haven't got all my meals in today, and this is my way of doing it. So this whole meal, this whole pot right here, I'm gonna eat this whole pot. Put it in a big bowl, and I'm gonna eat it. I mean, whatever I can't finish, if I get full, then I mean, that's fine. I'll come back in a couple hours and finish the rest. But for now, I'm gonna have this. Now mix all of this in. This shit smells so great. It smells so great. Let's see if we have something else in here. I can see that little lime juice. A little bit, not too much. Just a little sprinkle in there. Boom, sprinkle it around a little bit. Boom. That's it. I only ate one time today, guys, so this whole meal right here would be fine. It'll hold me down. I ate one time early in the morning. What did I eat, by the way? Oh, I had eggs and oatmeal in the morning around 11, 12 o'clock. Yeah, I had eggs and oatmeal, and that's it. And I went and I did cardio. And then later on, I had just 4 oatmeal cookies. Just 4 oatmeal cookies and water before I went to train legs. Because I was so tired after, and I took a nap, and I had to get up and go train. So I had 4 oatmeal cookies, and I just trained, and I trained legs, and now I need a high carb meal, man, right now, and I need high in protein too. So that's why I put the whole meat in there, the whole beef in there, and I added 2 eggs just for that little extra protein. I got my onions in here, and put onions. I put the lime juice. And I put my rice in there. Just mix it up, let it cook for another good 10 minutes, and it's good. But this should be ready in like 5 more minutes. So after this, I'll show y'all the finishing results, alright? Peace. Alright guys, this is pretty much the finishing product here. Now usually, like I told you, I would have everything from tomatoes, mushroom, kale. I have that mixed in there as well. But for now, I only have my onions, my meat, my rice, my seasoning. And the last thing I like to do is to add hot sauce. I mean, I love spicy food, but not too spicy. Just enough where it just gives a little kick. So I like to add a little bit here, pour it there and there, and just mix it in. Just mix it in. And that's basically it, man. I just want y'all to take in mind that right now it's not like I'm prepping for a show or anything like that. Like, this is just usually what I do when I'm just clean eating and just having fun with my food. That I experiment and do different things with my food. So I like to do a lot of experimenting. So with this here, this is a dish that I've made plenty of times. I've had more ingredients to put in here, but I didn't have it, but it's okay. But usually, like food like this, I make and I'm ready to go. It's not too hard to do these things, man. It take no more than 20 minutes to make your meal, and that's it. But you know, just know this is not what I'm saying that you can use for, you know, prepping for a contest and stuff like that. Nah, this is just, you know, when you want to still eat clean, but you're still having some fun with your food and you're adding things in. It's all still clean. It's just, you know, putting the hot sauce and stuff. I mean, there's certain people who do that, certain people who don't. But me, like I say, I like to have fun with my foods. Plenty of other meals that I make that I'm going to show how I cook it. So, yeah, I am starving after this leg day. I'm starving, yo. And it's time to go eat and relax and chill. So on to the next one, y'all. See y'all later. Be easy.